the progress was checked, but because he did not do it willfully, therefore Krishna was giving him opportunity. As soon as possible, again capturing. Because he did not do anything willfully. First of all, this is the condition. Circumstance. Therefore Krishna was very kind. He gave him the son. Call him. You have affection for your son, all right, chant Narayana by calling your son. This opportunity was given. So, for his sinful activities, he saw fearful features of these order carriers of Jamaditha. That is going on. If one is not offender, then he has no chance even to see the Jamaditha. But because willfully or non-willfully he was engaged in sinful activities, associating the prostitute, and for maintaining the prostitute he was planning so many sinful activities, cheat and take others' money and enjoy. For that reason he had to see. And if he remains pure, he hasn't got to see. This is required. So, regular resultant action of sinful life, one has to. Just like Yudhishthira Maharaj. Yudhishthira Maharaj was advised by Krishna that you go to Dronacharya and tell him the lies. What is that? Now tell him that your son Aswathama is dead. Because Dronacharya had some benediction that unless he is shocked by the death of his son, he will never die. So Krishna had to take this diplomatic, because it is politics. So Krishna, because Dronacharya will not believe anyone, he knew that Maharaj Yudhishthira is a most pious man, he never tells lies. So Maharaj Yudhishthira goes and says that your son is dead, then he will believe. Otherwise Krishna could have gone personally, but he knows that people do not believe him. He's very tricky. So, therefore, no tricky man can excel him. A man may be very tricky, very intelligent, but he will not be able to excel Krishna. He is more tricky. Just like in his childhood, Krishna was naughty, the mother wanted to bind him. So Krishna also became tricky. Mother, first of all, brought some rope and bound, and when it was to be knotted, it was short. And then again she joined another rope. In this way, whatever rope store she had, she brought one after another, and at last when knotting, it is two. What is called? A short. So, Krishna thought, Mother, nobody can bind me, and because I have accepted to become your child, you are trying to bind me? All right, you bring your all ropes. You'll never be able to bind me. This is Krishna. But Mother Jasoda is the greatest devotee. So when Krishna saw that my mother is now exhausted, perspiring. All that you can buy. This is, we have seen in Krishna. So, je jathamang prapaddante, tang tathaiva bhajama. If you want to play tricks with Krishna, Krishna is a greater trick. You'll never be able. That is our mistake. That we think that I am so intelligent, I can do something without the knowledge of Krishna. That is our foolishness. Krishna says, Sarvasya chaham hridhi sannivishta. I am sitting in everyone's heart. How you can cheat him? It is not possible. Don't try to cheat Krishna. Don't try to cheat Guru, don't try to cheat Krishna. Then your progress is sure. Guru Krishna kripaya paya bhakti lata bij. You are singing daily. Sri Guru Charana. What is that? Sri Guru? No, there. Guru Mukha Padma. Chittite Koriya. Don't try to cheat Guru. Then progress will be checked. Acharyam man vijaniyat navamanneta karichi namartya buddhya asuyeta sarvadeva maya guru. Acharyam man vijan, Krishna says, Acharya means I am. Navamanneta karichi, do not try to neglect. Namartya buddhya asuyeta. Do not consider Acharya, spiritual master, as ordinary human being and become envious. These things are words. Acharya man vijanya, navamanneta karichi. Namartya buddhya asuyeta. Familiarity breeds contempt. That is not good. Similarly, because by the mercy of Acharya, by the mercy of Guru, you will get Krishna. You sing that, Krishna Prapti Jaha Haite. What is that? Yeah, Krishna Prapti Hoy Jaha Haite. What is that language? No, what is that Bengali language? Cannot, you are singing daily? Avidya vinasa jate Krishna prapti hoya. So these are the things. Avidya vinasa jate. Avidya means ignorance. We are full of ignorance. So, Guru's duty is to open the eyes, and by opening your eyes, he will give you Krishna. So, this is the process, so you should be very much careful not to cheat Krishna, not to cheat Guru, become very sincere and follow, then it is guaranteed. Guru Krishna kripaya paya bhakti lata bij. Two things required. You cannot jump over Krishna neglecting Krishna, Guru. Then it is finished. If you want to jump over Krishna without favor of the Guru, Krishna is not so easy. So, these things should be very carefully observed. No offense, sincerely follow. Then Krishna will protect, and your progress in Krishna consciousness to go back to home, back to Godhead, will be assured, ensured. So this man circumstantially fell down, so Krishna is saving him. Krishna is saving him and he will be saved, we shall see in the following passage. Thank you very much.
Jai